Hello everyone, I'm Georgia and today I'll show you our new entry, a Sabre 330 walkaround built in 2023. A great example of made in Italy, designed to join the exterior and the interior for a great pleasure cruise. In the special cockpit we can find a dinette with foldable table that can be switched into an extra sunbed, a wet bar with fridge, the helm station topped by a T-top with solar panel is the perfect size for this kind of boat, with a 12-inch chart plotter, Suzuki screens, and a boat thruster. Walking in the interior, we will be surprised by the feeling of brightness due to the high ceilings and the light colors. On the left hand, we have a galley with all the necessary, the stove, fridge, microwave oven, and in the forward part, a V-shaped bed, and the best feature is the bathroom, split in two parts with a sliding door with a sink in one side and the head and the shower on the other side. And last but not least, the bed underneath the steps. Our short tour is over, so please feel free. The tour is over. We are at your disposal for any further information. For our complete listing, have a look on our website, yachty.it. Thanks for watching, and please follow us on all the social medias. See you next time. Bye.